So how can you split screen when writing on the iPad? Let's explain that. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So in order for the split screen to work, you need to check out the settings app of your iPad and just go to the multitasking panel, right? So you can just look it up right away if you don't want to go through individual settings. But if you go to the multitasking, you need to make sure that you either have the Stage Manager or windowed apps set up, right? Because once you do, you can go ahead and open up the Notes app, for example, like this. Then just grab it from one corner and have it as a floating window, which you can grab and move around as much as you like. Of course, you can then just open another window alongside it. For example, it might be another note application or something like a web browser of your choice, which lets you just hover everything on the top of each other and work and multitask in this like very productive way, right? So the important part is that you have the multitasking turned on, and also that your iPad runs the latest version of the iPad OS. This is also very important as some of these features may not be available in the older software versions. So if you have any other questions regarding this, the comment section is of course the place to ask. Perhaps me or even someone else might have the answer for you, so go ahead and try that out. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and hopefully I can catch you later in the next tutorials as well.